So, dear students, today I'd like to discuss about something about error. Okay, so here actually error means actually I like to discuss about random error. Okay, which is very useful for your exam purpose for NET exam. Sorry, random error. Okay, so various kinds of random error we'll discuss. Where error arises? Error arises for when we have done some experiment. Okay, when we will do some experiment, we will get some error, and we have to calculate this error and adjust with the final result. So in any experiment, what we have done generally actually, that we have taken various types of various values, okay, and we make a table, and then we will take a mean value of all the measured values. Okay, so suppose we have done an experiment and there are n numbers of values we have get. Okay, and the values are suppose a1, a2, a3, a4 dot n number of values we've got when we have performed the experiment or any experiment. Okay, so what we will do first, we will do first we have to calculate the mean value of this all the measured value. So the mean value actually a mean, that is equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus dot plus n divided by n. So this is your mean value. But sometimes we have seen that this mean value, if we denote it as simply am instead of a mean, we find that this mean value is deviated from the measured values, that is a1, a2, a3, a4 dot a, and the mean value of this is actually am. Sometimes you can say most of the times, and it is the most probable thing, that this mean value is not same as a1, a2, a3, a4. There is some deviation between am, a1, am, a2, am, a3, am, a4, an, etc. Sometimes it may be matched. It may be matched, that suppose this mean value is matched with any of the values. It can be happen, but most of the cases it will not happen. This a1, a2, a3, an, and this am will be different. Okay, so the difference between the measured values with the mean value. Okay, suppose the difference between a1 and am, the difference between a2 and am, the difference between a3 and am, and if we take the modulus value, then that error, that is actually error. We have a mean value and we have a measured value, a set of measured values. Okay, and there is a difference between this a1 am, this a2 am, a3 am, this a4 am. This is one type of error actually, and this error is defined as the absolute error when we take the difference between this a1 and am, a2 and am, a3 and am, a4 and am, and only the magnitude value. What is actually mean by absolute value? Absolute value means the magnitude of the difference between the measured values and this mean values. Okay, because maybe it's sometimes positive, maybe it's sometimes negative, because this am may be greater than a1 but less than a2, maybe greater than a3 but less than a4. So there is a probability of getting positive as well as the negative sign. Okay, so we will take only the numerical difference, that is actually the absolute value of a1 and am. Okay, and that absolute value is actually called the absolute error. Okay, so we can write it as absolute error. This is one type of random error. Okay, this is absolute error. Absolute error. So absolute error are defined as a set of absolute values you can get. That is, one is delta a1 mod, okay, is equal to, you may take it as a1 minus a measured value. Similarly, delta a2 mod, you can take it as a2 minus am mod. Similarly, delta a3, you can take it as a3 minus a mod. Similarly, if you take it as up to delta an, then we will get this result mod an minus n. Okay, so these are the set of absolute errors. For each and every measured value, we can get an absolute error. Now, if you want to know the mean absolute error, then we have to take the mean values of this error. So the next thing you can take or we can discuss is the mean absolute error. Okay, so we'll discuss now. These all are actually different types of random error. Okay, you can give this as number one. This is one type of random error, and the number two I can discuss over here, the mean absolute error. Okay, so what is the mean absolute error? Mean absolute error is denoted as del am, and this del am is nothing but the mean of these measured values, this absolute errors, mean of this absolute errors. Okay, so the mean will be what? It will be delta a1 mod plus delta a2 mod plus delta a3 mod plus dot delta an mod divided by, you can write it as n, because we measured n number of times, so there will be n number of absolute error. So the mean absolute error will be this. Okay, so this is actually the mean absolute error. Now if we write the measured value, or any measured value, how we can represent the measured value? Okay, so let me do this thing now. So we have suppose we have a mean value, like we have discussed previously, that am is the actually mean value of the measured values. Okay, this is the mean value, and the mean absolute error we have got delta am. Delta am is the mean absolute error. So mean absolute error. Okay, so we can write the final result of the measurement. If we write the final result of the measurement, what will be the thing? So final result will be result of the measurement you can write it as a. So a will be what? A will be am, and this am may be of plus delta m divided by plus delta m or by minus delta m. Okay, so the final result of any experimental result will be represented like this. Okay, so now we can discuss about the relative error or the fractional error. That is also the one kind of error, random error. Okay, so now sometimes we are interested to know about the fractional error or the relative error. So how it can be defined, I'll tell you. Okay, so now we can discuss about what is called number 3. This is also one kind of random error. It is called the relative error or the fractional error. Okay, relative error or the fractional error. So what is relative error? Relative error is nothing but the delta a mean, okay, divided by a mean. So this is the a mean and this is the delta a mean. So this is actually the relative error. This is relative error. Okay, and the last thing about the random error is nothing but the percentage error.